Hello and welcome back to oneHOWTO. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to do the BART SIMPSON, an easy but popular hip-hop dance move. Let's get started. To do this hip-hop dance move, known for being on The Simpsons, we're going to start by stepping our leg out and then bringing the other foot so they're together. And we repeat, side to side like this. Now let's take a look at the arms, which will always be on the opposite side of the leg. So if we step out with our right leg, we'll place our arms on the left side. The arms are quite easy to memorize as well. They go up, side, etc. Let's try it all together, but slow. Good. Now let's try it a bit faster. Another little detail is to make sure to bounce by bending your knees once you place your feet together. This gives it that hip-hop flow. It's not exactly a jump, we just lift our heels a little. Let's now try it faster and with music. Just feel the step and feel the music. That's it! You've got it down. We hope you've enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe and check out our other hip-hop tutorials. Some links will be down in the description. See you in the next one. I'm steady slaving for days, just give me one shot. Slaving all day, slaving all night.